Mark?
Similar, but it's along the lines of centralized versus decentralized content creation.
Mark, did I say I love you today?
Yes.
Oh, that's the topic I really want.
You're doing good.
When I talk about global, I really mean global in an internal sense. It's really global in terms of the headquarters and the local teams work together. Decentralization versus centralization. Who leads, who follows. So Ellie, when you're talking about how to best communicate, at the end of the day, it's roles and responsibility differentiation. Who is doing what? And the most important thing is who leads, who follows. Well, tell me a little bit more. This is abstract. Well, I'm going to give you a template. What can we accomplish? I want to share with you 2 pagers. The devil is in the details. There's not much to it. You just have to work it.